Cracked pavement beneath her feet. Another dead end, she can taste it. She was looking for something sweet, but life had turned out basic. They told her, quit, fold it in. When you believe in something bigger, when you believe, you pull that trigger. When you
what is? Carol? Carol!
Hey, Mommy.
Look here, you know nothing to do. I wonder if you know the pitney them hungry and have nothing to eat. You think lay down all day can feed pitney? We need money. Money make the horse gallop.
But, Mommy, you know from when me I try look a job and me can't get nothing all now.
You know, try hard enough. If you didn't even try, you would have get up, go sell.
Really, Mommy? Really? That you really tell me?
Crocodile tears can't freeze me. Little girl, stop the crocodile tears. Little girl, get up. We need money.
But Mommy, me I try. Everywhere me I gonna look for it, me still can't get no work.
So Carol, what happened to the gift God gave you?
Mommy, but you not easy. You really want me to go sell?
Carol, you need to do something before something do you. What you say?
Yes, that time when she had there with the woman cross the road, son.
Coco.
Me say me have to come tell my friend this
What?
year. Say me have to hear from all of them and come tell my best friend.
I saw she go on down there. You know, no money for you. But right now, me want money.
And you know, making go selling big, you know what?
After she now
When
did that.
we did little bit like them, we use it up and make for we own money.
Exactly.
So he having big fat.
A waste. A waste time.
Right now, you know, see when me do it for me one. Eh? Me make my big man there from down a Senti. I must send her go school and everything. She a ball, but mommy. Me say, mommy, what? If I know him, me can't eat. So, what me I go do?
Exactly. So, Pearlie, we can't get some of the money here collect from him.
The whole light gone, I me come up and say, me want borrow something from you.
Me not have nothing. And the pitney them hungry. And me hungry too.
You make me come up here, think say you can't help me. Every money you get, you spend it in a cash pot.
It's only cash what we can depend upon.
Beg you one more of them, I can be thirsty.
Pearlie, every time you come here, you come yam down my house, you know. Me have nothing to give you, ma.
So, Mister, what happened to the farmer man where you on your mouth?
Which farmer man? Me not know farmer man.
I mean, I talk to, you know. I Pearly, I talk to. You take the whole line man things, the man not pay him. What you pay him with?
That the man there? He can't employ the salon. Anyway, Pearlie, as soon time for cash what you know. May chat to you later.
Alright, give me one of them here, make me walk with it.
Nah, no more drink. Everything time you come here, you beg for food.
Yeah, but when me I come sit down for, you like the gossip too.
Good evening, Miss Pearlie. All
Good
right.
evening, nice girl. Look how you're growing nicely. Me say me just talk to your mother just now. I tell her how you're growing nice and beautiful. You see, you're bright. You have a bright future. I know you're going to become a doctor or a lawyer, you know. Look, yes, you are. Yeah, man, nice and beautiful.
Thank you.
Yes, you take care. You
And
hear?
you,
Yeah,
Miss
man.
Pearlie. Have a good day.
All right, take
All
care.
right. Okay, ladies, I'm gonna have a shower.
That's all she good for, you know. Run up the water bill. Like she'll pay bills in here.
Oh, as in come in here and want to run go bed. Money have a gateway free. Make him go sell it. I don't trust that girl, you know. You see when you have on? You see battery right there when you have on? With them the two pupa there. Not even one pupa in your feet, they pitney them. Two pupa. Where then they?
One gone to prison, and the other one can't be found.
Oh, me grow up, I see, and where me grow up for me, you know. You have to find man to look after him. You want to be my friend? You have to make sure so you can spend.
That be nice, Pearlie. You're forever broke. I never have money.
I wonder where them picnic had gone with down the country. Let me phone Mama.
What happened, Carol?
Hi, Mama. Yeah, how you doing? Yeah, man, it's me. We just a check-in.
From morning, me I try to get your phone, and you not answer your phone. Little girl, me will pack up the picnic them and send them down Congi, you know. Your picnic them coming like termite. Them crable, me need money.
Yeah, man. Me soon send it. I'm at work.
Me will pack them up and ship them Congi, you know.
All right. I'll soon send it. I'll talk to you later. All right, bye. Can't manage with mommy, you know. Everything are money, so.
In shadows deep,
I can't manage. It's you work too hard. It's too dirty, yes, man. Too dirty. Oh, gosh.
my weary soul begins to stall.
Operator, Mr. Grant here. Get me housekeeping.
Yes, sir.
Who is this, Carol?
Yeah, man, it's me.
I want you to prepare the presidential suite, you know. Yes, we have the Wilmores coming in. Listen, I need everything spick and span.
Me need a raise. If them want me to do better, then me to pay me better.
That's why for my son-in-law make sure say me have something to move round. And where a man to go be me I go you know. Sun splash. See if we can go sell some sitting. How is? Hello?
Pearlie, I will play cash pot this morning.
I don't know nothing about cash pot, my love. I don't know nothing about cash pot. I kind of busy. I dep on my way I go far. Man to go be me I go.
You know how many times I go down to Western Union?
Carol again. Me warn you, you know. Me tell you. The girl have man and the grill.
That's why me rate you, you know. That's why me rate you.
Anyway, me have to run now. Me will call you back later.
All right.
Alright. Why them, boy, may I tell you?
Woke up this morning, sun in my eyes, brand new day, feeling alive. Troubles behind, no looking back, on the right track. Yeah, I stumble, I fall up, but I get back up standing tall. I'm a winner in God, yeah, that's me.
Hello, good day. I'm here to check in. Under the name Bramwell. Ooh, I'm so hot. Not even fun.
Hello, I'm Mr. Grant, the hotel manager.
Hello, Mr. Grant.
Welcome to your home away from home.
Thank you very much, sir.
The bar is over there, so you can have a seat, Someone will attend to you shortly.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, I want you to have a wonderful stay. Someone will check you in shortly.
Thank you.
Okay, hold on. I will take this for you. I will bring it back for you.
That's very nice. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
man,
you.
you're welcome. Hello. Hold on. I will help you.
Aw,
Come on,
you shouldn't have.
You're
Thank
welcome,
you.
most welcome.
Thank you.
You're at a 5-star hotel,
Oh.
so you get 5-star treatment.
Nice.
Classic.
That's what I like.
classic.
That's what I like.
Bartender, come and get her order for me.
Morning, Miss Spencer.
Morning, farmer.
That's some nice bread food for you now.
Yeah?
Yeah. Some nice rent I have now, Miss Spencer.
Right now, me not ready for that. Me talk to you later, yeah? All right, take care.
Miss Spencer look good, man. If you admire her, man, as a farmer.
Carol,
Yes, mommy.
we go Western Union, and me only get $8,000. $8,000, Carol? What you expect me to do with $8,000? A monkey money that. Listen, man, me will carry back your picnic them, you know?
But mommy, you know it's only $10,000 me get. Me send you 8,000 outside and keep 2 for myself to live on.
What happened to the tip them, Carol? You think me an idiot?
But mommy, the little piece of tip them is in US. You know, so me I try to save them. I want to buy something for Christmas for the picnic them.
Christmas? Christmas is now. Give me the money.
But mommy, are your grandchildren, you know? Christmas soon come and we want to buy them something so Christmas Day them have presents to open like everybody else.
When Christmas come. But today, me need money. Me want back me fear to go back a country.
I only spend $5 to buy something to eat and it's 2 bullets.
Wait, Carol,
Yes, Mr. Grant.
you still at lunch?
Just a couple minutes, Mr. Grant. I'm heading back now.
You need to go back to work, you know.
Yes, sir.
You need to go back to work.
Yes, sir. I'm heading back now. You see me nearly get in trouble. You see how him stay. I'm strict, mommy. I have to go. I can't stay. We'll talk later. I promise you. We'll work it out.
Me not leaving without the money, Carol. If you're going back to work, it's me and you.
I have to go, mommy. I promise you I'll phone you later. We'll talk. I promise you.
Carol, me want the money.
All right, mommy. All right. We'll see what we can do.
In shadows deep I stumble and fall. My weary soul begins to stall. But a light shines through a distant call. I won't surrender, I give my all. Though storms may rage and winds may blow, I feel a strength I start to know. Never give up, never give in. When hope is lost, new strength begin. Never give up, never despair. God's love is always, always there. Always there.
No, son, never take this to granted. Little from this, you hear the people them bow for them money and you hear my name called.
Filled with doubt and filled with fear.
Mr. Grant, can I come in, please?
Come inside.
Sorry to bother you, sir, but I was cleaning and I found this.
Wow, it's a lot of money.
That's what I mean. That's why I gave it to you,
It's
sir.
a lot of money. Tell you what, don't worry yourself about it. I will take care of it.
Okay.
I will take care of it.
Okay, thank you.
Just remember, keep this between us. Please,
Yes.
please remember, keep this between us. Right?
Okay. Yeah, man.
You guarantee it?
Yes.
You
yes,
sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
I promise.
That girl Carol, she's a damn ass. How she should find so many money and bring it in, come give me. Well, I can buy a brand new Benz.
Yo, Granty, me love how you flash the man. Yeah, man.
Marcus, let me tell you, life is for living. Life is for living. Live life. Live life. Don't afraid to live life. I want to you, man. Me I live.
Yeah, Granty, Me like that the flex the man. Me love where you live, man. Yes,
Yeah, man. Bartender, bring 2 more buckle of Hennessy. Come in. Bring 2 more buckle of Hennessy.
What?
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it, man.
Wow.
That's how we do it, man.
Yo,
we feel live
we
life.
love that.
Me tell you, life you live life. Yo, we not start floss yet, you know. We see later, little more, a crazy thing. Crazy thing.
What?
We not play with, when it come to flossing, you know, say, man, we do it different.
Me that thing,
yeah, man, we do it different.
Yes, man, me ready, man, me ready.
My brother have a birthday party, I go on and we have to go there. We are going
yeah, man.
We have to go there.
So, Chana Granty, all girls, them? Enough girls are there, there?
Anywhere me there,
all right, all right.
Yo, up on the beach, you know.
What? If up on the beach, we have to reach, you know.
That's the thing, yeah, man.
Yes,
yeah,
man.
We are going to hold a juice.
All right.
Good vibe. Waitress.
Yes, sir.
I have to tip the waitress before me, you know.
My Granty, man, cashy, man. What you, man. Me love that.
Party and party. Share the glory.
All right, me love that. Me love your place, too. Your place nice, you. Love Rona, so man. So, Granty, tell me something. How will you get money off floss, so man?
Man, a big manager for 5-star hotel, you know. You know, say, things have to come in.
Yes, Granty, me love that, man. Me want to be a part of that. Me want to be an investment. Yes, serious. I really that.
One of these days, when you like boss and come, where you gonna run to? One of these days, when you like boss and come, where you gonna run to?
Our 20,000 candle.
I mean, that's all me get.
Them yeah, more than 20,000 a day. We need at least 100,000.
Where we gonna get that, mommy?
Well, sell yourself, man.
Mommy!
What you mean, mommy? What we have to do?
Nesta,
Oh,
oh, they wagwan.
tell her say we want money. And she'll come with little 20 grand.
No, man, I try.
Right now,
she
me want
try.
100 grand.
And you have one of the best children in a whole place.
Which part?
Come on, man, appreciate what you got. She a try.
She
Have
don't
good-
try hard enough.
On back of your work. Nesta, leave it, pick me alone, man.
What do you mean leave the picnic? She a picnic, me I look after her picnic them and the picnic them and yam out everything. The picnic them come like a termite. Then can't stop yam.
Go on back at work. Don't listen to her.
Right, Miss Pearlie.
Don't listen to her.
Mommy, make a try.
Leave
harder
the
and
pick
bring
me
you
alone.
more.
The pick me a try.
Try my
You know, see, I next doctor a liar. Yo, not more than the gal have man. The gal have man and mind with the money.
You know, say you's one hypocrite though.
What you have in there can eat or drink?
Stop, look for food and drink.
Anyway, you know, here say Harry wife catching with man.
Caw.
With man.
Pearlie, come inside, let me give you something for drink.
Come
Me
on.
why hear this
Yes,
your
man,
one.
come. You love it mix up too much.
Why the sheet? Why the room stay so long? Why the room stay so long for my guests? What's going on
Sir,
here?
I'm doing it as fast as I
What's
can.
going on here? Tell you
Sir.
what. Let me tell you this. Not because you found the money the other day, you know. Not because you found the money the other day. That don't mean to say you're gonna get special treatment or royal treatment. I want you to get the room fast and quick, ready for the guests.
Yes,
Get
sir.
the room for the guests.
Yes, Mr.
Tell you what. Do your work, you know, and do your work. Do your work.
Yes, Mr. Grant. Grant, me want to see him do better. Him now realize that the hotel full and I'm working as fast as I can. Me can't tell him sometime now. Him head big and ugly like. What him need to get a good woman and get sought out and leave me alone. All him know for do a drink rum and piss him money up the wall. Then come give people argument and chat. Yes, mommy.
Carol, you alright?
Yes, me alright.
Alright. You get through with what you get through with the money yet?
I can't stay long, mommy. I'm at work and Granty in a bad mood. He already start for me this morning.
Listen now. Let me tell you something. You find the money and give to boss man. Instead of you bring the money, come give me. Cause you know, say me need the money for you and your picnic them.
But mommy, I know you same one grow me up in the church.
Church?
Yes, not for steal, don't not kill.
What you talk about? You find it. And a thief.
Well, I felt good about it.
And you take fool, go give boss man now and say that me need the money. Me have to raise your picnic them.
God will provide, mommy. God will provide. I'm coming this evening to the Western Union for you.
You better make sure, say, you bring my money, come.
Yes, mommy.
I must have roadside me find you, 'cause you couldn't come from me. But let me tell you something here and now. Me hope you listen. You see if you not bring the money, come? You and your picnic them are gonna take bus tonight. Tonight. Not one day later. Come in now, take no more. You better make sure you know.
Mommy, we can't take it no more. Grant, you stop at me. You stop at me, mommy. Please, I can't take this no more.
The room ready?
Yes, sir. I just cleaning up under the bed. But I'm nearly done. The room ready almost. The room ready.
Hurry up, you know, because the guest is getting fussy. And I can't take the problem. I want to see that my hotel runs smooth. We don't give discount around here, you know. And any discount to give away, I must out of your pay. So just be careful.
Want Miss Nesta bring your breadfruit them, you know.
Me hope now butter breadfruit you bring come give me, you know.
Oh, Miss Nesta, climb a chair and pick them, you know.
Make sure they're not butter, you know.
Miss Nesta, the best me bring come for you, you know. The best, man. Check it, man, the best.
No, that's how them look butter, so.
Yeah, man, a good fruit me bring, man.
No, some men don't like the look of
man.
these, you know. I look like them drop on floor and you pick them.
Nah, man, I climb a chair and pick them, man. Next week me bring some better one for you.
How much you charge me for this?
1,000.
1,000?
Yeah, try you.
1,000? You want $1,000? Me now pay more than 200 for this.
Yeah, man, put something more on it.
Me now give you more than $50 more, you know. And not true, me now say you take taxi come up here. Hey, take the money and go.
All right, Miss Nesta, everything.
Butter like you.
Give thanks.
We soon take one of them and bust him head.
You don't lose a thief him.
Hi, Mr. Wilmore. Welcome,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Good
Yeah,
afternoon.
man, your presidential suite is ready for you, sir.
Okay, wonderful. Huh?
Yeah, man, ready for you, sir.
Okay, sir. I got something for you here. Here's a little tip.
Yeah, man, give thanks. Welcome.
No problem.
Thank you very much. This way, sir. You can follow me. Yeah, man.
Oh God, I'm tired. Hello?
Pearlie, where you get your story from?
Me say me have some gist for you.
You're not easy at all, girl. You're not easy.
So I want to you.
Me need a strong drink for this one, yeah.
Talk to me.
I'm really tired of this. How not for go send me more money, man?
But that no sound right. Then on Friday I pay day. Nesta, you know, say me and you are friend for years. Me not trust your daughter, you know. I don't trust Carol.
She don't make up excuse. You know how many times I got down the Western Union?
The time you should have take for teach her the ropes you never did. You make she go out there go get corrupt by differently. When you should have teach her the ropes. Look for my child. Me can't live easy, you know, see how me look. I want wicked girl. Me would have pack up in things, then pack them up and ship them off. Ship off the picnic, then carry them go give him. Make him sit down and look about them.
Girl, I'm so happy. God is good till him too good. Oh God, I'm happy, you know? Let me get my paperwork. Me get my papers, me get my visa. It come true, girl. It come true. So hotel, Granty, bye-bye. Remember the tourist man me did tell you about some I meet and him light me off? As much as me try for, you know, coming and want the long distance romance. I'ma tell you say, him tell me say I got file. Him actually do it. We get my paper, we get my paper, we get my paper.
Oh, you went so lucky.
Oh God, girl. And get me this job and is managing in a 5-star hotel in Switzerland, girl.
That's nice.
Yeah, man, in Switzerland. Me here say Kobe, me no care 'cause the money there. Well, anyway, girl, queer, I have to go get ready to go to the spa. Can tell me, say me have to get myself ready and relax up myself and do myself up ready for the interview. Cause you know, so first impression count. But girl, you know, say I will always be there. I will keep in touch. Yeah, so come give me some love. I got to go. I got to go.
Okay, take care. All right.
Oh God, no make Granty kill you with work, you know.
No.
Oh, God.
Okay.
Later,
Take care.
later.
Bye.
She got scars from battles won and lost. Heartbeats echo like a ghost, but her spirit never froze or tossed. She's rising up, she's the most. Every tear she shed turned into gold, picking herself up out of the cold. Her light shines bright, fierce and bold. She's a tale that's yet untold. This is the day she claims her crown. No more tears gonna drag her down. From the ashes she wears her gown. This is her kingdom, this is her town. Whispers in the dark she won't hear. Strength in silence, no more fear. She paints her dreams vivid clear. She's the leader making cheer.
Hello.
So what are you having? What you having, babe?
So you're having yourself? Huh? Hot stuff.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
fire.
Okay. Wow.
I think I'm gonna go strong.
Strong.
Yeah, man. Definitely rum and coke.
Rum and coke?
Yeah, man.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Something
I'll have some
strong.
whiskey.
You think you can keep up with me?
Ooh.
I told you I'm
Alright.
hot.
Why not?
We'll
Let's
give
see
it
where it goes.
Yeah, man. We'll give it. Sorry, give with me a second. Hi, Mom. How are you?
Carol, what happened to the money you promised to send?
Hold on, Mommy. Hold on. Just 1 second. I'll be right back. I've got to take this. Mom.
Oh no, me not receive it yet, you know. What you do?
Mom, I'm at work. And you know how Granty's stay already. I can't talk right now.
How you lie so? We just come at your workplace and then tell me say you're gone.
You're at my workplace?
Listen up, me want the money, you know.
All right, Mommy. Go home. I'll check in in about an hour.
1 hour? You better make sure you know, or else you see the picnic them pan bus.
All right, yeah, man. Just give me an hour, Mommy. All right. I come in, I promise. All right, love you. All right. Oh boy, this woman. Hi, sorry about that.
Ah, took you long enough.
Sorry about that. It was my mom. Yeah, it was
Your mom?
Yeah,
Oh,
family emergency, but it's
Well.
all sorted now.
So, how's your mom? When am I going to get to meet her?
Yeah, she's good. She was just phoning to let me know, say she's going to the other end of the island. So she's not going to be around. I had plans for you to meet her, you know.
Ah,
You'll get to meet her soon, hopefully the next time you come.
that sounds good.
Yeah, definitely.
Hello guys. Will you take your order?
Yes, I know exactly what I want. Can I have the Ital special with the Rasta pasta?
I'll have exactly what she's having.
Excellent choice, sir.
Okay, thank you very much.
All right, sir. What do you guys like to drink?
Can I have the beetroot special?
Make that double.
Yes, sir.
My appetite opens up when I look into them.
Hello, madam.
Ah, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Wonderful. See?
Sir.
Things are working.
Sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Cheers.
Yeah. You know, I have to give that waiter a fat tip. He's doing an excellent job.
Yes,
Yeah?
he is. He hasn't stopped smiling from we got here.
All right. Wonderful. This is what you call a 5-star. Yeah, wonderful, eh?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
5-star service for 5-star people.
Like you.
I can see it in your face. I mean, everything about you, you're just bubbling. Girl, tell me about this Steve.
My gosh. He just makes me feel so warm inside. You know, when you watch the movie them and them talk about the butterflies in your stomach, me did always think so joke them making a it just make me feel good. Fly high in pocket deep.
Oh, but what about the bedroom part?
Trees, you're fast, man. You're fast.
What you call it now? I want to feel that dream live through you vicariously. Because me, I wish I could leave too. Grant is an awful person. I mean, you carry the money, give to him. And not even a $10 the man would give you.
Who God bless, no man curse.
I'm telling you. Everybody was saying that you're an idiot to go and give him the money. Even me too. Because especially Granty, I mean, yes, it's good to be honest, but that one named Granty, a boy that.
Yeah, man.
He has nothing good about him.
True.
Nothing good about him.
True.
All his wife, he give her bun left, right.
Bun,
right,
cheese, and
center.
salad.
He give her the entire bakery.
True.
Girl, I hear say it's pure young girl him spelling his money on. Not even his wife. One of the maids went up to work at the house. And when she washed, she says, pure holy.
What you said to me?
Me not doing enough physical work.
Me not wrong, you don't make him work
I just
here.
need to do what I'm supposed to do.
Yes.
Nothing more, nothing extra.
Enough so you don't get fired?
Nothing, yes, that's all.
Yeah, man.
Wait, Patrice, what you doing
Yes,
here?
Mr. Grant? Oh, I was
Wait.
just taking my lunch break.
Over 3 hours now you have been here, you know. Listen, I'm gonna dock 3 hours out of your pay, you know. I don't pay people to sit around and idle. You get yourself some work. Get yourself some work done.
Mr. Grant, you know what? I'm one of your best workers. Anything you want, anything you
I
say,
don't
sir, I
tell
will
you
do
what.
it. Because
Tell
you know,
what,
Mr.
get
Grant.
some work done. Hello, Carol. How are you? Hello.
Oh, Mr. Wilbur, I'm just finishing up with your room, sir.
Ah, lovely. This is for you.
Thank you, sir. That's very kind of you.
No problem. Have a good evening, eh?
You too, sir. The man just walk around on a dash of money. And him body, done good. I'm a friend, you know. But she better try not sleep.
Steve, I'm so excited about getting married and the wedding and everything. Mrs. Wilmore.
You're a lucky girl, aren't you? You know what? I'm going to transfer $10 million to your account and you can cover all the expenses for the wedding.
Oh, Steve, thank you. Now I love you.
Oh, you're my darling. You know, anything for you, darling. Anything.
It's going to be great.
Wonderful.
Oh.
That place was not a place for you, you know? You were like a gem among stones. You know, you make my heart overflow with love for you. Yeah. Here's some pocket money for you, darling. Go out with your girlfriends and spoil yourself.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Have a good evening this evening, huh?
Thank you.
Okay, my darling.
Hey, man, how is it stay?
This is for you.
Yes, sir, thank you. Who are you rich boy there get $10? From the other day, I be $100 I give out in and look for me and give me $10. I want to take this thing for. How I do that boy there, man?
Oh, Mr. Wilmore. You look tense. Like you need a massage. Huh?
Patrice.
Carol?
Carol?
Steve.
You was feeling a bit tense.
Feeling a bit tense?
Yes,
feeling a bit what? Are you sitting there enjoying it? All a smile?
My shoulder was hurting me.
It not hurt you, it not stop hurting you. And Patrice, you're my friend.
That's why I was giving him a little massage.
That's why you was asking me them questions earlier.
Look at where I'm at.
It's
right
nothing,
outside
Carol.
in the public.
It's nothing, Carol.
Come on,
My
Carol.
friend.
Exactly.
Really? And you're rubbing up
So,
my man.
hold on,
You're rubbing up my man.
So, Carol, you'd prefer for one of those masseuses to come and give him a massage?
At least they're trained. You're supposed to be my friend.
That is the
I'm
reason
come
why I
round.
do it, child. I don't want anybody to come and steal you, man. Say don't see where we're out in the public. I was doing you a favor. So I'm just gone back to my trust because you don't appreciate when people
Don't
looking
do
out
me
for
a
you.
favor. Don't do me no favor. Take that.
All right.
Don't do me no favor when it comes to my man.
Yeah, but did I go take her man, you know? But watch me and her. Since you're so bumptious.
Steve, I can't believe you. And we're getting married and you haven't even been gone for an hour and you're rubbing up with my friends. I can't believe you. I'm so upset with my friend.
Don't worry about it, baby.
No, you think this gonna work? I'm so upset. Seriously, is this where we're gonna start off?
Forget about it, my darling.
Forget about it. And we're not even married yet. And this is what you're doing. I haven't even been gone for an hour. Huh? And you're hurting me
doesn't
this
mean
way.
anything to me, my
You
baby.
think money's going to
She's
do
not-
anything?
It is nothing, my darling.
You think money's going to do anything to make this any easier? Is this what our marriage is going to be like? I can't trust you, man. I can't trust you.
You know I love you, baby.
Gold, come on and look how small it is. Gold.
Here's another one.
You really think this and this is going to ease the pain?
Come on, honey. You know I love you.
You seriously think?
Everything
Don't
I
do
have
it
is
again.
yours.
Don't do it again. This is the one and only time.
Mr. Wilmore, you look so stressed.
Yes, a little bit.
So where's Carol?
Oh, she got angry with me and went away right now.
Oh boy. I have something to show you in the bedroom that I've done. I want to see if it's to your liking.
Really?
Yes. So if you don't mind, will you accompany me?
Certainly.
How could you do that to me? Really?
Hey.
Don't touch me. Seriously, with my
sorry,
friend.
baby, I'm
And
sorry.
my
You
friend,
never
we're not
mean-
even married
You
yet.
never mean to do anything
You never
like
mean
that.
to. I never meant to take your shirt off. You never mean to get on top of her. You didn't mean to get in.
Cracked pavement beneath her feet. Another dead end, she can taste it. She was looking for something sweet, but life had turned out basic.
Well, at least me have my money.
For the grand draw of $600 million. And the Super Lotto number is 4. Yes, that's right. The Super Lotto number for the draw of $600 million.
They told her, quit. Fold it in. When you believe in something bigger, when you believe, you pull that trigger. When you believe
told